Hey, what's up guys? It's Lydia here. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a wash and go routine and look from the brand TreLuxe. This video is beautifully sponsored by TreLuxe, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to be honest with each product and how I feel about it. So I will be giving my honest opinion about each product, but I will be talking about the amazing benefits of each product. I'm going to be using a total of 3 products today, a cleanser, a conditioner, and a styler. But before I hop in that shower, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like before. And there's a reason why my hair is up in a bun, because it's a struggle right now, and that's why I'm washing it today. But I also want to show you guys what my hair looks like before so you can compare it to the end, because it's going to be fantabulous. Alright, so let me show you. Ugh. Oh yeah, but this ain't gonna work, ladies. This just ain't gonna work. So without further ado, let's hop in that shower. Alright guys, welcome back. We are ready for conditioning and styling. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not use a conditioner in the shower because TreLuxe has only given me a cleansing rinse. So this is the Curl, Renew, and Restore. It is sulfate free, it's for all curl types, and it also is color safe. I was really impressed with this product because it was still a little sudsy, but it felt really light on my curls, and it also smells really good. But I haven't really had a cleanser that wasn't a cleansing conditioner. It actually detangled my hair for me. I mean, there's still a little bit of tangles, but the leave-in conditioner will totally take care of that. I'll talk about that in a bit and show you guys how I use it. But this is phenomenal. I think it's one of my favorite rinses or cleansers that I've ever used. So if you're looking for a really good cleanser, then this is for sure the product for you. And I'm not just saying that, like, it is phenomenal. And let me just talk about what they promise you, and it's definitely a fact, not just a promise. But it says it gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture for healthy, resilient curls. That is exactly what happened. And also no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, or artificial color, which is amazing. And the key ingredients, which I think helps with the whole detangling, moisturizing process, is the coconut milk and slippery elm extract. I was like, okay, that's pretty cool. But yeah, you guys, this is so amazing. I really recommend this product. I love the consistency, I love the results, it's so light. And I feel like it will definitely work for wavy, curly, and coily hair types, which is what they promise. So get this product, ladies. It is a dream. Mwah. Alright, so let's get into the conditioning and the styling process. Like I said earlier, they didn't give me conditioner because they gave me a nourishing leave-in conditioner, which is called Untie The Knot. And I have used it before, and it really works beautifully. And let me tell you guys what it promises to do for your hair. It detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls. And this is also for all hair types. And whoop, it also has coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. Who knew? I mean, I think that's all pretty cool. But let's jump right in. I'm going to show you guys how I use it. Alright, so my hair is still sopping wet. I did not use a towel in the shower. I am just detangling from the ends all the way to my roots. I'm kind of doing it by relaxed sections. It's not super duper high key, but this is what I'm doing. I forgot to show you guys the consistency of this product. I think it's really important to see. So I'm just gonna do 2 pumps. But if you can see it, it is basically just like a regular leave-in conditioner. It's creamy, it's light, it's white, it's beautiful. So let's finish this section. I'm just freehanding it. I know I can feel, whoop, look at that tangle, but thankfully it's called Untie the Knot because, ladies, it unties the knot, let me tell you. So yeah, I'm just about to finish this, putting it in my hair. Okay, so my hair has kind of dried a little bit during the process, so I'm just gonna re-wet it with my spray bottle. This just helps because I like my hair wet when I put in the products now, so I'm just making sure that it soaks up all the goodness. But I have put in that beautiful leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just gonna scrunch a little bit for y'all to see. Whew. Alrighty, so now we're gonna move on to the next product, which is the Curl Enhancing Styling Gel. It is called High Definition. Although I said high like that because I put an exclamation point, so I just felt like being really expressive there. But this is for long-lasting and defined curls, which you know every girl wants their curls poppin' and defined, so this is what it does. Let me tell you the key ingredients in this product. It is avocado, heck yes, honey, and sage extract. And it works well, but let me show you guys how I use it. So I'm going to apply this product by separating my hair into 4 sections. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys the consistency of this product. It is literally like, ew, there's like hair all over my hands. It is literally like a jelly. Like, look as it drops. It's kind of satisfying to watch. But I really enjoy this product. I almost want to play with it like freaking Play-Doh or something, but we're not going to do that today. But it is really nice. If you can see it in my hands, it might look really gross, but that is the product. So we are going to apply it now. We are going to rake the product into every single strand of hair. Now let's do this guy. Remember, about like a dime to nickel size amount of gel each time. Maybe even a quarter. I don't know, just the cents. Just all the cents in the world. But yeah, as you can see, we're really professional at separating my hair into sections. It's really good, really fun. But yeah, that is the bottom pieces. Yep, so I'm just making sure, literally, I feel like every piece has soaked up the goodness. Alrighty, so we are done with the whole gel styling process. And so now we are going to dry with the towel. So here are the results after my hair is completely dried. But before I close, I just want to talk about the 2 products that I use for conditioning and styling. So for the Untie the Knot, I really loved this product. It smelled amazing and it detangles hair so well. And also it feels heavy at first, but once it dries, it gets really light and boingy. As you can see, my hair is luscious and defined and moisturized. So I really recommend this product. 10 out of 10 for sure. So, mwah. And the last product that I used was the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. And I was a little nervous using this product because it was super jelly-like instead of more of a gel consistency, which are a little different, but I was really impressed with the product. It's not my favorite gel, but I really think it gets the job done, and it's light, but it also feels like it's defining literally every single curl, and I think it did its job very well. So I would definitely recommend this product, and I will use it again for sure. Alright, so that is the full wash and go routine and review of TreLuxe. I was very pleased with the results of the products. They all got the job done well, smell amazing, and they left my hair gorgeous. I'm super happy. So if you guys are interested in purchasing their products, I will have each product listed down below. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just feel free to comment them down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to this beautiful curly team, feel free to do so by clicking the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified every single time I make a video, just click the bell so you won't miss out on anything. I love you guys so much, and I couldn't do this without you guys. So yeah, have the best hair day yet. And tune in next time for more vids with Lids.